All right, cool. It's alive. I've got all the electronics in my BART truck, which I'm super excited about. It was definitely harder than I thought it was going to be to get all these electronics in here. I was hoping to put most of all these electronics in the front. That did not work out so well. So right now I've got the ESC and the receiver in the back over the top of the chassis in the back. I made a little plate for back here to put the ESC and receiver on. And I've got the battery on attached to the back of the servo at the moment with some Velcro. It's just a little 2S battery. And I think I like this setup. It may change. I don't know. Going forward, I might tweak it a little bit. But right now, I love the way it's set up. And so, man, how cool. I'm just excited to see it working. And I'm even more excited to get this out on the rocks. So I've got the radio on. Let's get the receiver. Turn it on, there we go. And we've got steering, left and right, and we've got forward. Oh, and I love this motor. I love how quiet it is, how smooth it is. I've got the crawler ESC, it's got the brake super slow. If you want to crawl super slow, you can, and which you're probably going to want to do a lot of times. And it's got the brake function, which is nice. But man, how cool. It is all together. All electronics are in. Yeah, cool. Good stuff. Man, just neat how I got the, yay, got the left and right steering. Oh my gosh, it's so quiet and so smooth. Oh man, I just love it. You probably can't even hear that on the video. Forward, reverse. And I love how that little motor spins in there. That is neat. Maybe you can see that on video. But man, how cool. This is just awesome. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. This has just been a super fun project. Really cool build. Really neat to put together. And super excited to see it working. So next up will be the body, wheels and tires. And then, yeah, I think we're in good shape. We'll be in really good shape to get this out on the rocks. Super excited about getting this out, man. It's going to be fun. So yeah, just want to show that it's working. Got it. It's alive. It's alive. Good stuff. All right, cool. See you on the next video. Thanks for following along, and take care.